Good morning, children. Today we are going to study a new chapter in your English grammar textbook. It's time of action. Hmm? Time of action is very, very important. Hmm? What is action? Or if we are doing something, it's action. Here I'm teaching. So, teach is an action. Huh? You are listening. It's also an action. Okay. And we can divide these actions into three. Or what is the word that denotes the action English grammar? What is that? Huh? It's verbs. By observing or by looking at the action word, we know when the action is happened or when it's going to be happen. Okay, so I think last year you learned about past tense and present tense. If you don't know, don't worry, I will tell you. So, some words are given in your textbook. It's last year, last month, last week, and yesterday. This denotes past time. That means it already happened. Last year means it's already happened. Last year, last month, last week, yesterday. All these shows past time. That means it's already happened. Okay, then this morning, today, afternoon, evening. Today morning, today afternoon, today evening, or this morning, this afternoon, this evening. That means it's present. Now it's happening. Clear? Next, we are going to learn is what verb show the action of a noun that you know. My father drives to office. So here the word drives is the action and it tells us something that noun is doing. Here noun is what? Here noun is my father. So the word drives shows that what that noun, that means father is doing. Clear? They study at school. She is walking to the school now. They walk to school yesterday. Okay. Now, next one, verbs can show being. Being means it shows existence. Something is existed there. He is a boy. Then, that is my pen. They are Redu's brothers. Okay. Something is there. He is a boy means simply he is a boy. Then next one is verbs can show belonging. Belonging means something belongs to someone. Or what we can say ownership. Here I have a pen. That means I have a pen. That means this pen belongs to me. In my hands I have a pen. Okay, clear. Then Mala has two sisters. That means that girl Mala has two sisters. That sisters belong to her. Clear? So we can move to the exercise. First exercise. Circle the verbs. Okay, verbs means action. Verbs denotes action. First one, the sun rises in the east. Which is the action? Yes, rises. Just circle that rises. Then, the man is looking at the mirror. Yes, is looking. Then, they are playing. Boys are playing. Then, first one, I will visit my aunt tomorrow. Visit. Okay, so children, there is no need to underline that together, not circle that it. Okay, that means is looking. Just circle that look. All of you know that is auxiliary verb, isn't it? Then playing, next one visit. Then it is hot in summer, so hot. Or is, then you have to find out. Okay, then deer run fast. People are running to catch the bus. I like oranges. Harry will be going home next week. That dog has a long tail. Okay, try to find out that. Next, we are going to learn some new things. Okay, now all of you listen. So we know that last year, last month, last evening, or previous day, yesterday, all this denotes past time. That means some action is already happened. And we know this morning, today, then this evening, afternoon, today, morning, all this denotes present time. Now all of you listen. So now we know verbs show the time of action. Or by observing that verb, we know some action is going on also. Or we will get understood when that action is happened. Okay, now teacher is teaching. Teacher is teaching and you are listening. That means what? So that action teaching is happening now. Now itself it's happening. It's not a past action. Huh? It's happening now itself. Clear? Next one. She walked. So she is walking. That means the action walking is happening now itself. Then she walked. That means the action walk is over. It's already happened. That action is already happened. It's over. And it's not happening now. It's not happening now. Okay. Then she walks to school. That means this action happens usually. Usually she goes to school. She walks to school. Clear? Then next one is she will walk. So children just underline that he is walking. Then she walked. W-A-L-K-E-D. She walked. Then she walks to school and she will walk. So you have to underline is walking. Sorry. Walked. Then walks and will walk. Okay. So this will walk means what? This action walk has not happened. It's going to happen. She will walk. Okay, so this is walking means it's happening now. Walked already happened and walks, that means it usually happens. Then will walk means what? It's going to happen. These are the most important. So now, so this time of action shown by the verb is called tense. So the time of the action can be present, past or future. So she walked means it's past tense. Its time of action is past. That means that action is over. Then teacher teaches in the class. That means the action is usually happens. And it's present. The time of action is present. Teacher will teach a new lesson. That means it's going to happen. Will teach. Okay. That is future tense or the time of action is future. For example is also given in your textbook. Please go through that. She is walking. Here verb is walking. Then time of action present. He eats, time of action present. He played, played is the verb and it's past. Then they will run. Will run is the verb and time of action is future. Okay. So next exercise we can together do find out the time of action in the following sentences and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. I don't know children whether that this will work or not brush anyway. Okay, so time of action is we are going to. So my shoes are wet. Which tense is that? The verb shows which time of action. My shoes are wet. What is that? Yes, it's present. It's also given there. Okay, so first one is already given. So here also present. Just write present there. Next, the birds are sitting, was sitting on the tree. So was sitting. We know that auxiliary verb is are shows present. Then was or where shows or past time, and will shows future time. Okay, so once more, is are shows present, was or where shows past, then will shows future. Okay, so the bird was sitting on the tree, so we don't know now where is that bird. Huh? Yesterday or day before yesterday, that bird was sitting on the tree. It's that action is over now. It's not happening now, so it's past. Okay, next one, he will finish painting next week. So next week only that boy or that man will finish that painting. So that action is not happening now. Sorry, that is not finished now. Okay, presently he is painting, but we don't know that it will finish now or tomorrow, but we know that it will finish next week. So it's future action. Okay, Farhan was a cricket player before he retired, so retirement is already happened. Now he's not playing as a cricket player. Hmm? So it's also past action. Kishan and Dilip are playing tennis. It also shows present. Mr. Sharath is my teacher. It's also present time. Then last one, Radha is going to meet her friend on Sunday. It's also what? It's also present. So children, this is present, past and future. Okay, now two exercises are given there. Okay, so it's group work. But now it's not possible to do group work, so try to do it by yourself. So each of you take turns, complete the sentences given below. Yesterday I went for a film. You can write that. Today what you're going to do. Today we are going for a picnic. Tomorrow you will complete your homework. Then just a minute, children. Last week I went to my school for paying fees. Next week they are coming to my house. Now he is a Now he is a football player. You can write that. She goes to church every day. Just like that. Okay. Then fun corner, write 5 sentences on each of the following. So what I did last week, so that you can do. So children, you have to write there what you did last week. Then next one, you have to write what you are doing now. And after that you have to write what you will do next week. So first one is past time. Time of action is past. Second one, time of action is present. And third one, time of action is future. So that is you are going to do. Okay? Please try to do it. And today you can watch one more video, because last week due to some problem in my phone, I didn't upload your video class. So today you can watch one more video. And Saturday or Sunday, I will put all the notes in your class WhatsApp group, including today's class and that. I think last week's Notes are already been sent to your class WhatsApp group. Okay, please watch it, and if you have any doubt, please call me. Okay, children. Thank you and have a nice day.